Some women farmers in Petauke district of Eastern Province have adopted some concept of organic farming coupled with conservation farming in order to cope up with the impact of climate change. Conservation agriculture is an approach used to manage agro-ecosystems by rotating crops, minimizing soil disturbance, and retaining a permanent soil cover. The women farmers have explained how conservation farming has helped them to improve the yields in view of climate change. Favorite Chishi filed in this report.
The use of mulch is one of the principles used in conservation, a farming method which mainly involves managing agro-ecosystems for improved and sustained productivity while preserving and enhancing the resource base and the environment. Mulching is the process or practice of covering the soil to create more favorable conditions for plant growth, development, and efficient crop production. During this process, odd maize stalks, chopped weed and grass are slashed and left in order to protect the soil. Other principles of conservation include the use of composite manure, minimum mechanical soil disturbance, which refers to low or no tillage, as well as crop diversification, which should involve at least 3 different crops. In addition, conservation farming does not promote the concept of intensive crop production because the act depletes soils to the extent that future production in these areas is jeopardized. These are just but a few concepts which are key in a soil which is vital towards the development of sustainable crop production systems that are resilient to the effects of climate change. Grace Tembo, who is a farmer based in Petauke district, explains in detail how land is prepared under conservation farming, which is locally known as gampani.
So gampani yangu yanuchita ila nikagampa ya gampani nuyamba mosa shoka bagirikacha walesha bagampani kushoka. So tutola vavimauzi tuvika pakati pashemu. Tikaika pakati pashemu tuyamba kugampa. Dikagampa na sirija ntola manyowa ang'ombe, ola mbuzi, ola nkuku, ola nkumba. Tuika mu visengu. Tikaika mu visengu dukomola vinchebele. Vitatu oloniloko, oloni hybrid. Kamakaroko. Tikamu vitatu. Tikakomola tuyambo sakulila na kambwili. Tikasakula kasirija pala kusakula vinchere vino vukula vikakula vikayuma tufyokola.
Further, in order to improve soil structure and reduce the washing out of nutrients, Grace prefers the use of composite manure to chemical fertilizer because it is easily made using local plant material and manure.
Tutola bala pachibaya chira chakari osati ya nyowanya chakari chapicha gonera mbeu zonse zachitangaza sira pansi pala chopikika chatutola nechukana mphamvu bwino mu vinchere ndipo chinchebere chukula na mphamvu chumela na mphamvu.
Grace, who is also a member of Mutondo Women's Club, who mainly uses local seeds, says through farming she has built a house.
Seed ni ya bwino pakuti olowagaisha unga usidanika mangu unkala ngako kwa unga oko sabwino na nsima unkala ya bwino nabana okula bwino ndaba ikaba hybrid ya mne yatulima unga unkala upepu ukuya muyobira unga mukali nsira ulimini wa bwino ndaba nga ulima wa muntu zilimira unkala wa muntu nga ulima lini unkala ni wa muntu unkala ngani wezende.
Another farmer, Enele Sakala, also a member of Mutondo Women's Club, explains how the use of conservation farming is proving to be the best method of farming to her.
So ripa na gampani izitu za bwino chifukwa etipunzisa munga kunyamula doti ya manyowa ya ng'ombe kufaka mahozi ya milisi kuti manzi yakonkalira ngati mvula ya chepa. Nangu mvula inga pake bati sivi wonongeka kwa mbili.
at the time when climate change continues to threaten the country's ability to ensure global food security, there is a need to encourage women to engage in a sustainable approach to agricultural production to prevent soil erosion and degradation, improve its quality and biodiversity, and further contribute to the preservation of natural resources, water and air, whilst optimizing yields. Favorite Chisi, Petauke District, Eastern Province.
Government has been urged to develop a